Friends, hello, everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can quickly and easily transfer photos and also videos in the Files application on your iPhone. Don't forget, dear friends, please be sure to subscribe to the channel before watching this video. And also friends, put your likes and write comments. So let us with you friends, let's get started. First of all, please open the Gallery app on your iPhone. Now friends, in the photos at the top, click Select. And you and I will select a video and maybe some photos. After that, at the bottom on the left side, tap Share. Next, you'll need to swipe up the menu that you'll have and select Add to Files or Save Files. After that, you can choose the folder where you would like to save such media files. Please click right here Folders. Here you can choose iCloud or on your iPhone. After that, add to the particular folder and click Save. Now friends, I will show you where and how you can find such transferred media files. So, for that please open the Files app. Now in the same way select iCloud or your iPhone and then select your desired folder and you will see all the files that you have transferred from the gallery. That's how very quickly and easily you will be able to transfer photos and videos from Gallery to Files app on any an iPhone. I really hope this video, dear friends, has helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put likes and write comments. Bye.